Remember that time you were one stamp away from earning a free sundae at your favorite ice cream shop, but you lost the card? Apps are making loyalty programs more convenient than ever. So why are some brands dropping the cone?
So mobile is becoming an ever increasingly important share of e-commerce sales, and the restaurant space is no stranger to that. But retaining a loyal customer base isn't easy.
This is Jason Yu of Gartner for Marketers.
A fifth of apps saw monthly active usership decline since 2018. Their consistent user base tends to plateau over the long term. One way to combat this is through a loyalty program. Nearly 2/3 of year-over-year brands offer loyalty programs, and those that use a points system have a strong user base. And yet, unless those benefits are clearly explained, our studies show that confusion around accessing rewards program information can lead to about 1/3 of customers not interacting with the program a second time. A brand that does this well is Domino's. Domino's alerts new customers to its piece of the pie rewards program as soon as they open the app, explaining how users can earn points and redeem rewards while asking them to enroll. Though this might seem simple, nearly half of restaurant apps fail to follow this best practice. And even after sign up, the rewards tracker is a persistent element on the app's home screen, a feature less than half of restaurant apps incorporate. As a result, Domino's MAU grew steadily year over year instead of stagnating, ultimately earning them our Genius rank for the 3rd year in a row.
So what can brands learn from Domino's?
No matter if you're a restaurant or a department store, recognize the power of your app. If you're investing in a loyalty program, make sure the benefits are clear to the users.